Hello guys, today we are going to create a logo using prompt. So for that we are going to use the DALL-E, which is a function of the ChatGPT and a very basic tool where we can make a word to image. So for that what we can do, we will make a image or rough sketch of what we imagine or what we want to create from that prompt. So we have a clear idea that what we want. So according to that we can create a point which can describe our imagination to prompt. So in this prompt I want a merger of the modern and the Indian culture both together. So I have written that in my prompt. Also I use some keyword and the outline for the my logo so that ChatGPT can easily find it. This will help ChatGPT to create a very accurate logo for me, so I can satisfy myself by using these fonts. So you can describe that very clearly whichever is in your minds. So make it sure that you describe your all thinkings in the point by point so that your prompt will be work very close to your idea. So what here happen that the chat gpt will be understand what is our need, and according to that it will try to create a logo. So we have to very clear with our idea. For that try to write your prompt in the different phases so that the ChatGPT or AI tools can understand it and work on it by step. So actually the prompt writing is the all the game of the our imagination. How clear you can imagine and how accurate you will describe your words in minimum words. So that is very important in the creating any prompt. So you have to clear about your imagination, and firstly you can try to write down on the paper, so it will help you to make changes, and then you will try on the actual tool, so you will get idea about your imagination. And then try firstly raw image, and you will get when you try first time you will get product by AI tools. So then you will get idea what you writing and what you get. So after that if you not satisfied with the your output, you can make changes in that according to some word, or you can change your writing sequence, so it will give you the more accurate results. As you look here, I also want the words in the Sanskrit and as well as in English. So I have given the instructions to the AI tool so they can take it in mind and utilize it into the my. Now I will complete the prompt and let's see what's the results we get. As we can see that it's working on our prompt and we get our results, and you can see that it's very close to our prompt and what we want it's we get but